All right, so if you want to turn a girl on, there are a few secret places. And I say secret just because these are places on a woman's body that are a little bit more unknown. They're just places where you wouldn't think is actually going to turn a girl on, but it really does. Okay, and you can use these places as a way to initiate foreplay. And I know most people think about foreplay as things you might be doing while you're naked, but these are places that you can actually access when you guys are not fully naked together. So this is like pre-foreplay or foreplay to the foreplay. Okay, so I want you to test these out the next time you're getting intimate with a woman. So the first one are her inner thighs, okay, her inner thighs. This is a place that basically says, hey, we are right near the region where I actually get turned on, but we're not quite there yet. So the building of that tension is what really helps to start to get her really turned on. So if you are making out with her or you guys are laying down together and you are able to have access to her thighs, and again, it doesn't matter if she's naked or not, this is a great place to start to caress very lightly, by the way. And I should say that all these places are places you're gonna wanna caress very lightly when you guys are kissing and when you're getting into it, okay? So the inner thighs is one of the places that's gonna basically be telling her body something is about to happen. So I want you to utilize this place when you guys are getting it on. Another place, and this one is very easy access because you guys are already gonna be kissing, is her ear, okay? This is not utilized enough, and I think guys forget about this, and I think it is really a shame because it is such a place that is so sensitive for a lot of women, and it's a great place to start turning her on. So soft kisses on her ear, around this region right here, even kind of like this part of her neck right below her ear, super powerful spot. So that's a place that you can start to kiss and even give little licks when you guys are kissing and before you guys are getting more intimate. Another place is her scalp. This is so unknown. I say probably most guys don't utilize this at all, okay? But her scalp. So what does that mean? Well, you ever have a head massage? Like, you ever go to a masseuse and they massage your head? Feels pretty good, right? It's like, whoa, there's something about that because we don't get touched there ever. It's just not a place that gets touched because it's just not accessible and there's hair and it's just not a place. So if you take your hand and just rub it through the back of her scalp and you're just like taking, not your nails, but you can with your nails a little bit, but even just like the tip of your finger and just like rubbing it nice and firm. So this is a place actually, I take back what I said earlier. This place is gonna be a little bit more firm and less gentle because this place can handle it. It can handle that pressure. So you're just like slowly but firmly gonna be taking your fingertips and pressing them against the back of her scalp and just kind of like getting behind her head. That place is super sensual, a place that's not touched, not utilized, okay? So that, the thighs, and the ear are three places that you can use to start to turn her on. And you can, by the way, this is not something where you just do one and then you're good. Like, utilize all three, not necessarily at the same time, but utilize all three when you're making out with a girl and you're doing this pre-foreplay, okay? Super turns her on. By the way, if you want to learn and see a demonstration of another way to really turn a girl on when you guys are kissing, I have a whole demo video. It's called my Tripp's tension technique. I'll put a link down in the description below. Check that out. You're going to love it. It's completely free and you'll be able to see a demo of me doing it. And it's something you can do with a girl. It's like something you do right before you kiss her. So you're really going to like that. Leave a comment down below if you've tried this, and you can encourage others so you can tell them that it's worked because you've done it. There you go. See you in the next video. Hope that helps.